What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the Leather Helm of the Fallen Kingdom in Crimson Desert. Now this helm's got a unique look to it. If you don't mind looking like potential venisons too, this Leather Helm gives you 3 points in defense, a level 1 resistance to lightning, and a 35% turning/damage boost. To get this odd helm, open your map and look below the letter E of Hernand. You're gonna see this fat part of the road which indicates the Sanctum. The exact point where I put my marker is our destination. Travel to that point of the map, and when you reach the road by the Sanctum, climb a set of stairs with the weird crystals, get through the dark corridor, go up another set of stairs, then turn left when you reach the top. Turn left again and go through the archway. You'll arrive in a courtyard with the only building that has no entrance. To its right is a lamp behind a pillar. Approach the lamp, light it up, and a door will open. Get inside the building, and in the center is a chest. Loot it, and there you'll get your exclusive furry helmet. Enjoy your weird find. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next video.